The Croft residence by Mindworks architecture in Erode, India. Nestled amidst a sprawling one-acre farmland on the outskirts of Erode, Tamil Nadu, lies the Croft, an idyllic weekend retreat. The property enjoys a serene location in close proximity to a bird sanctuary, surrounded by lush farmlands and meandering streams. The clients, a young couple, sought a two-bedroom recreational house with spaces to host parties and intimate gatherings. They desired the house to have a significant connection to the surrounding greenery while maintaining privacy and security from the neighbouring farms. In response, our design approach was to create an inward-looking house with large semi-open areas to enjoy the outdoors and engage in gardening and birdwatching, which fosters connection with one another. The earth-hugging inclined porotherm jolly walls act as an entrance portal, unveiling its welcoming stance as one approaches the entrance. These walls seamlessly transition into the primary roof structure, exuding its subtle form. The fenestrations on the porotherm blocks offer a glimpse into the beautifully landscaped surroundings of the property. The common areas of the house are under a high-pitched roof, which provides a sense of grandeur. The open planning of the house dissolves the formal boundaries and allows the spaces to flow seamlessly from one to the next, with pocket gardens uniting the indoor and outdoor areas. At the heart of the house is a central skylight court, covered using Mangalore roof tiles with glass inlay through which the gleams of sunlight fill the internal spaces, casting a warm glow on the walls and floors. The natural light dances across the room, creating a dynamic ambience throughout the day. The outdoor pool area, with its gazebo and bar, acts as a congregation area where family and friends can gather, unwind, and chill. It serves as a central hub for socializing while enjoying the outdoors. The bar counter is finished in a monolithic yellow stone with its striking cantilever form, which creates visual interest in the space. The separate pool entry for guests adds convenience and privacy. The design embraced an earthy material palette, wood, rubble stone, coda, Mangalore tile, and rich oxide finishes. The extensive use of oxide finishes and stone cladding adds a sense of rawness and character to the space. The wooden cladding in the interiors adds a touch of warmth and elegance. All the existing trees on the site were carefully preserved, with a few trees being transplanted to a new location within the site. Landscaping was meticulously done, incorporating a variety of tropical trees, plants, and shrubs to add depth and diversity to the greenery. The design showcases a harmonious blend of nature and architecture, which is orchestrated by the chimes in the wind, the birds chirping, the natural light play, and the earthy finishes blending seamlessly with the landscape, leaving the user with an everlasting experience.